In this video we can talk about top 5 Asana alternatives and competitors. Welcome back to our Alternatives channel, where we will discuss some amazing alternatives to Asana. While Asana is known for its efficient task management, we are here to introduce you to its top 5 alternatives of Asana, which are Trello, Smartsheet, Basecamp, Workzone, and Jira. Join us as we navigate these platforms, uncovering their unique features and how they stack up against Asana. Introducing the first alternative on our list is Trello. Trello is a versatile project management tool that simplifies task organization through a visual approach. It offers features like unlimited Power UPS, dashboard view, calendar view, and budget management. Its simplicity allows users to quickly grasp its concepts and start managing tasks efficiently. Trello's standout feature lies in its visual representation of tasks and projects, making it ideal for those who prefer a more intuitive way of managing workloads. Second one on our list is Smartsheet. Smartsheet is a dynamic work management platform tailored for collaborative and automated project execution. It offers features like task scheduling, resource management, project planning, and email management. It bridges the gap between structured data management and project planning. Smartsheet's standout feature is its ability to combine the familiarity of spreadsheets with project management tools. Third one in our list is Basecamp. Basecamp acts as a centralized hub for project communication and simplifies team interactions by providing a comprehensive suite of tools to manage tasks. It comes with excellent features such as assignment management, calendar management, task management, and real-time chat. Basecamp's focus on communication within projects makes it a go-to choice for teams valuing transparent and streamlined interactions. Basecamp's standout feature lies in its emphasis on keeping communication central, ensuring that project updates and tasks remain easily accessible to the entire team. Next up on our list is Workzone. Workzone serves as a comprehensive enterprise project management solution, catering to larger teams and complex projects. It offers key features such as workload reports, secure file sharing, and image markup. It provides a centralized platform for planning, tracking, and collaborating on projects of varying scales. Workzone's standout feature is its ability to manage both project planning and execution for enterprise-level projects. Last but not the least, we have Jira. Jira is a specialized tool primarily used for agile software development that offers a comprehensive set of features tailored to managing tasks, issues, and projects within the agile framework. Its key features like Scrum boards, roadmaps, reports and insights, automation and customizable workflows, touch gestures, and fast tools. Jira's agile-focused approach makes it an indispensable tool for software development teams. Jira's standout feature is its specialization in agile methodologies, offering an array of tools and features specifically designed to enhance collaboration. Compared to Asana, Trello's intuitive interface is ideal for those who prefer a more visual representation of their work. Smartsheet caters to those who require data-driven insights and versatile work automation. Basecamp excels as a centralized hub for project communication and collaboration, with features like message boards and team chats. Workzone's specialization in managing intricate initiatives makes it ideal for larger organizations. And Jira offers tools for user stories, sprint planning, and integration with developer tools, making it indispensable for software development teams. Among the top alternatives to Asana, we would recommend Smartsheet as the best choice to Asana. Its dynamic work management platform seamlessly blends structured data management with project planning, offering versatile work automation. Smartsheet's standout feature lies in its unique ability to combine spreadsheet familiarity with advanced project management capabilities. Ideal for teams requiring data-driven insights, it stands out for its efficiency and effectiveness in meeting diverse project management needs. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.